Hello students, welcome to Pi Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, you all know that in yesterday's class we revised the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, right? On your requisition, today also I am going to take one more chapter for revision, that is Coordinate Geometry. Then shall we begin the class? Yes, again I am reminding you two important instructions. Do remember and follow. One is, get ready with the materials, notebook and pen. And second one, as it is revision class, during explanation, whatever I am going to write on the board, same thing should be copied simultaneously. Got it? Yes. What is coordinate geometry? Recall the definition. Yes, you may be right, but observe it. Here we have marked the point P on the plane. How do you describe the position of the point? Very good. By taking a pair of algebraic numbers. Here one is 3 and another one is 2. Right? So like this, the relationship between the exact position of a point and a pair of algebraic numbers is studied in a branch of mathematics that is called coordinate geometry. Dear students, in this chapter we will focus on only three important concepts. Can you recall these? Yes. What is first one? This is distance formula. Second one, it is section formula. And third one is, this is area of triangle. Now, let's go for revising these concepts one by one. Yes, the first one is distance formula. Then what is distance formula? For what purpose it is used? Let me explain you that. Observe. If you go for marking any 2 points on this Cartesian plane, just by joining these 2 points, you can write the measurement of that line segment, right? But is it possible to write the measurement of the line segment without joining the points? Yes, this is possible by using distance formula. Look here. Here is a point. I call this point as A and write its coordinates as x1, y1. Let us go for taking another point B, and the coordinates of this point is x2, y2. You are going to find out the distance between these 2 points A and B without actual measurement, means with calculation. For that purpose, we go for using the formula, that is distance is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Followed, even this formula can also be written as x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The reason is, observe, if you go for taking 2 minus 3 whole square, what is its value? It is 2 minus 3 is minus 1 whole square is 1. What is 3 minus 2 whole square? It is 3 minus 2 is 1 square is again 1. So as it is whole square, there will be no difference in changing the term. That's why we can write like this, square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. And one more formula is there. That is, if the point is marked from the origin, you all know that coordinates of origin is 0, 0. And you may take any point on the Cartesian plane, call it as x, y. Here I'll write. Then distance from origin can be written as distance from origin. It is d is equal to square root of, okay, it is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. This is x square plus y square. Got it? Okay, now let's go for taking few problems on this formula. Go through this. It is, find the distance between the following pairs of points. Here we have taken 2 pairs of points. One is 2, 3 and 4, 1, and another one is minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Let's go for finding the distance. Yes, it is first one, that is 2, 3 and 4, 1. You may take this as x1, y1. Second one, x2, y2. Then what is the distance formula? Very good. It is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Then substitute square root of x1 minus x2. See that it is 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 whole square plus y1 minus y2. 3 and 1. So 3 minus 1 whole square. It is equal to square root of 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 3 minus 1 again 2. 2 whole square is 4. 4 plus 4 is, it is 8. 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Square root of 4 is, it is 2. 2 into root 2 units. Followed? Okay, let's go for finding second. Now let's go for second one. It is minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3. Observe it. You may take this coordinates points as x1, y1. This is x2, y2. I can use the same formula. That is d is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is equal to square root of x1 minus x2. See that here minus 5 and minus 1. Minus 5. Here minus is already there. x2 is minus 1. It is whole square. Plus y1 minus y2 whole square. 7 and 3. So 7 minus 3 whole square. This is equal to square root of, see that here minus into minus plus 1. Minus 5 plus 1 minus 4. Minus 4 whole square 16. Here 7 minus 3 4. 4 whole square, this is also 16. Square root of 16 is 32. This can be written as 16 into 2. Square root of 16 is 4. Into root 2 it is units. Got it? Okay, now we are moving to some of the applications of distance formula. Some important applications of distance formula are, first one, just we have come to know finding the distance between 2 points when its coordinates are known, right? It is distance between 2 points. Then another one is, suppose 3 points are given. Think that 3 points are given. Using these 3 points, we can check whether these 3 points will form a triangle or not. How? Look here, it's very simple. Here, if all the 3 points will form a triangle, it has to follow one condition. Here, assume that there are 3 points A, B and C. And their coordinates are also given. You will find out the distance of AB. Then you will find out distance of BC and distance of AC. Followed? We all know that one of the important property, that is, in any triangle the sum of two sides will be greater than the third side. So you can check that whether AB plus BC is greater than AC or not. Then BC plus CA is greater than AB or not. And another one is CA plus AB is greater than BC. If these 3 conditions hold good, you can say that yes, these 3 points will form a triangle. Understood? You should find out AB, BC and AC and you check these. So these will tell us about whether triangle is formed or not. If triangle is formed, then the next thing is what type of triangle it is. Very simple. You just go for comparing the sides AB, BC and AC. If all the sides are equal, AB equal to BC equal to AC. That means distance of AB, distance of BC and distance of AC. When all are equal, you can say that it is an equilateral triangle. If any 2 sides are equal, 2 sides are equal, then what is it? Very good. It is an isosceles triangle. Right? And suppose all sides are unequal. All are unequal sides. Then you can say that the triangle is scaling triangle. Followed? Okay. This is second application. Third application is when 4 points are given. When 4 points are given, you can check that what type of quadrilateral it is. We know that when 4 points are joined, we get a polygon that is called quadrilateral. If it is quadrilateral, what type of polygon, what type of quadrilateral it is? Whether it is parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus. It's very simple. Assume that 4 points A, B, C and D. These are the 4 points. Their coordinate points are also given. You will find out AB, BC, CD, DA. Then what do you say about AC and BD? They are the diagonals. AC and BD. After finding all these, you can check what type of quadrilaterals they are. If it is parallelogram, what condition it holds good? Very good. Opposite sides are equal. AB equal to CD, then BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD. Hope that you are all understanding. You will find out the distance of A and B, then B and C, then C and D, then D and A. After that, AC and BD. After finding all this, you will go for checking. If AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD only, then you can say that it is a parallelogram. Then if it is rectangle, then no doubt AB equal to CD, BC equal to AD. And another very important, in rectangle, diagonals will also be equal, right? AC equal to BD. If opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal, then you can say that it is a rectangle. Next, third one, if it is square, here also, in case of square, all sides will be equal. If only sides are equal, AB equal to BC, equal to CD, equal to AD, when all sides are equal, then what is it? Do you call it as a square? No, it is rhombus. But if it is to be square, then even it should also satisfy the condition that AC equal to BD, that is, diagonals are equal. Got it? Then, here I am writing rhombus. If it is rhombus, then AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, that is, all sides are equal. So, these are the possible type of questions to be asked in the examination. First one is giving you 3 points. They will ask you to check whether these are the vertices of a triangle. You have to check this one. Then after that, they may ask you to find out the type of triangle. So these are the possible. And another one more important is there, important type of triangle. That is, in this, after finding AB, BC and AC, if the square of one side is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, side 2 whole square plus side 3 whole square. If this condition holds good, then you can say that it is an equilateral triangle, right angle triangle. Clear? Then giving you the 4 vertices, they'll ask you to tell what type of quadrilateral it is. These are the possible questions. Just let me go for taking one simple example. Dear students, please go through this question and you may also copy this. The question is, name the type of quadrilateral formed by joining the points 4, 5, 7, 6, 4, 3 and 1, 2. Even this can also be given for triangles as well. If triangle is given, then they give only 3 points. Now let's go for answering this question. So first you draw any quadrilateral you want and name this as ABCD. Let ABCD be a quadrilateral. Coordinates of A is 4, 5. Please go on writing with me. Coordinates of B is 7, 6. C is 4, 3 and D is 1, 2. Dear students, I have already told you to decide the type of quadrilateral, even we need to find out diagonals as well. Hence, let me join AC and BD. Now, let us go for finding AB, BC, CD, AD, AC and BD. Yeah, how do you find out the distance of AB? Very good, by using distance formula. Here I will write calculation by using distance formula. Just write distance formula once. D is equal to square root of, what is that? This is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Then now let us go for finding one by one. First AB. We are going to find out the distance of 2 points A and B. See that. X1 and x2, y1 and y2. Here 4 and 7, 5 and 6. Here I write 4 minus 7 whole square plus 5 minus 6 whole square. 5 minus 6 whole square. This is equal to, now square root of, what is 4 minus 7? Minus 3. Minus 3 whole square? 9 plus 5 minus 6? Minus 1. Minus 1 whole square? It is 1. 9 plus 1, it is square root of 10. Let it be as it is. Then we should go for finding BC. Right. Distance from B to C, it is square root of, what is x1 minus x2? 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 whole square plus, this is 6 and 3. 6 minus 3 whole square. This is equal to square root of, what is 7 minus 4? Again 3. 3 whole square, 9. 6 plus 3, sorry, 6 minus 3, 3. 3 square is 9. And this is square root of 18. Square root of 18 can be written as square root of 9 into 2. It is, square root of 9 is 3. 3 into root 2 units. Next, what is the third side? It is CD. Yes. Find out distance from C to D. 4 minus 1, 3 minus 2. 4 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square. This is equal to square root of, what is 4 minus 1? It is 3. 3 square is 9 plus 3 minus 2, 1. 1 whole square is 1. Square root of 9 plus 1 is 10. Next, fourth side. This is DA. Square root of, how do you find out? Very good. It is 1 minus 4, then 2 minus 5. 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 5 whole square. It is equal to square root of, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is 9. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is 9. It is square root of 18. It is 9 into 2, which is equal to 3 into root 2 units. We have found out all the four sides. Then find out AC and BD, diagonals as well. What is AC? Yes, AC is equal to square root of, it is 4 minus 4, then 5 minus 3. 4 minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square. This is equal to square root of, 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 square is 0 plus 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 square is 4. Then which is equal to 0 plus 4 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 units. Next, one more. Another diagonal is BD. Let us find out. This is 7 minus 1 whole square. Square root of 7 minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square. 6 minus 2 whole square, which is equal to square root of, what is 7 minus 1? It is 6. 6 square is 36. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 square is 16. 36 plus 16, 46, 52. And this can be written as square root of 4 into 4 ones are 4 threes are. It is 2 into root 13. Now you may go for comparing all these statements A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D. You can come to know that. Look here, A, B is root 10, 10. C, D is also root 10. Means one pair of opposite sides are equal. Next, BC is 3 root 2. AD is also 3 root 2. Another pair of opposite sides are equal. Anyhow, we can say that opposite sides are equal. What about the diagonals? Diagonals, AC is 2 and BD is 2 into root 13. Whether the diagonals are equal? No. What do you call a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and diagonals are unequal? Very good. It is a parallelogram. Followed? Here are why. On comparing, we can write AB equal to CD, then BC equal to AD, and diagonals AC equal to BD. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Hope that you all have understood. Please go for copying this. Here, AC is not equal to BD. That means diagonals are not equal. Therefore, it is a parallelogram. Followed? Even this type problem can also be given with respect to triangles as well. Please do practice by taking many problems from NCERT text. Now we are moving to another type of problem related to distance formula only. Observe, this is third type question, and you can also go for writing this one. Find the relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the points 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. Hope that you are all able to understand this one, right? You are going to find out the relationship between x and y such that the point x comma y, you may call this as P. P is equidistant from 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. 7 comma 1 you may call this as A. 3 comma 5 call it as B. Observe here AP equal to BP. Followed? Yes. Then how do you go for finding the relationship between x and y? Very simple one. As AP equal to BP, you can go for finding the distance from A to P as well as B to P by using distance formula. Got it? Yes. Go for writing with me. By distance formula. What is that? Very good. It is D is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Then we all know that AP and BP are equal, right? Let's go for finding one by one. Here first I'll take AP. The distance of AP is 7 minus x, 1 minus y. 7 minus x whole square plus 1 minus y whole square. This is equal to square root of. It is 7 minus x whole square is of the form a minus b whole square. Use that identity. A square plus b square minus 2ab. This is a square. 7 square means 49 plus b square x square minus 2ab. 2 into 7 into x. It is 14x plus 1 minus y whole square. This is also of the same form. Use the identity. It is a square 1 plus b square y square minus 2ab. 2 into 1 into y minus 2y. This is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Then minus 14x minus 2y. 49 plus 1, it is 50. This is AP. Then another one is BP. Let us find out that. BP, it is 3 minus x, 5 minus y. 3 minus x whole square, then 5 minus y whole square. Use the algebraic identity to expand them. 3 minus x, it is 3 square, 9 plus x square minus 2ab, 2 into 3 into x, 6x plus 5 minus y whole square, a square, that is 5 square is 25, b square is y square, minus 2ab, 2 into 5 into y, this is 10y. This is equal to square root of here x square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y. Then here 9 plus 25. How much? This is 34. Followed. From the statement, what has been given? P is equidistant from A and B. So let us go for equating AP and BP. Here I'll write from the statement. From the statement, we can write AP equal to BP. It is square root of, what is AP? AP is x square plus y square minus 14x minus 2y plus 50. This is equal to BP. It is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus 34. Observe. Root get cancelled. Next. Remaining, here I am writing. This is x square plus y square minus 14x minus 2y plus 50 is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus 34. X square get cancelled. Y square get cancelled. Then let me write algebraic terms, one side constant, on another side. So minus 14x minus 2y. Transfer minus 6x to the left hand side. It becomes plus 6x. This is plus 10y is equal to 34. Transfer 50 to the right hand side. Minus 50. Then minus 14x plus 6x minus 8x. Minus 2y plus 10y, it is 8y. Is equal to 34 minus 50, it is minus 16. You can see that 8 and 16, they are all the multiples of 8. Hence, divide both sides by minus 8. Then this will be x, this is y, and this will be 2. The relationship between x and y is x minus 8, y equal to 2, or x equal to 2 plus 1, or y equal to x minus 2. All of the different possibilities. This can also be solved in another method. I'll show you that. Before that, you just go for copy. Let me show you another method. We have already found out the relationship between x and y. What is that? X minus y equal to 2. In another method, we will go for using the given statement directly. That is, according to the given statement or from the statement or AGS, nothing but according to the given statement. P is equidistant from A and B. Hence, we can write AP equal to BP directly, right? Then what is AP? Use the distance formula. AP is 7 minus x whole square, then 1 minus y whole square. 7 minus x whole square plus 1 minus y whole square, which is equal to BP. It is square root of 3 minus x whole square, 5 minus y whole square. 3 minus x whole square plus 5 minus y whole square. Observe, root get cancelled. Then use the identity. Again, it is 7 square, 49 plus, this is x square, this is minus 14x plus 1 square plus y square minus 2y, which is equal to, this is 9 plus x square minus 6x. This is plus 25 plus y square minus 10y. Observe, x square, y square, get cancelled. Then what is 49 plus 1? 50. 50 minus 14x minus 2y. Then here 9 plus okay, it is 25 plus 9. This will be 34. 34 minus 6x minus 10. Let us separate algebraic terms and constants. Here minus 14x minus 2y as it is. Transfer minus 6x minus 10y to the left hand side. Plus 6x plus 10y is equal to 34. Transfer 50 to the right hand side, becomes minus 50. Then it is minus 14x plus 6x minus 8x minus 2y plus 10y plus 8y is equal to 34 minus 50 minus 60. See, again we have to divide all the terms by 8 because they are all the multiples of 8. Divide both sides by 8. It will be minus 8. It will be x minus y is equal to 2. See that? Again we have got the same. Any one of these two methods can be followed. Copy this. Dear students, now we are moving to the second concept, that is section formula. Then what is the section formula? Look here we have 2 points. One is A and another one is B. Its coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2 respectively. There is a line segment which joins A and B. We are going to mark a point on AB somewhere else, but it should be on AB. Call this point as C and assume that this point will divide AB in some ratio. You may take that ratio as M1 and M2. Followed? Now we have to find out the coordinates of C. To find out the coordinates of C, we use section formula. Followed? The formula used to find out the coordinates of a point which divides the given line segment in the given ratio. Then what is that formula? Here I write. Look here. C, you may call that as x comma y, coordinates of the point which divides the line. It is equal to very simple one. This is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Then one coordinate, another coordinate is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. It is very easy to remember as well. You can write like this. First m1 plus m2 by m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2 by m1 plus m2. Then here x2 x1, y2 y1. Is it not simple? Yes. Then it is for internal division. That means the point is within the line. For external division, another formula is there. That is the point which divides the given line in the given ratio. When the point is outside the line, then just we go for changing the sign. Here minus, minus, minus and minus. But for your syllabus, they have given only internal division. Just focus on this. Next, again I am going to take 2 points A and B with their coordinates x comma y, x1, y1 and coordinates of B x2, y2. Now I am going to take the point C such that it divides the AB into 2 equal parts. That means, what is it about the point C? Very good. It is midpoint of AB because it has bisected the line segment AB. If it is so, what is the ratio of AC and BC? Very good. It is 1:1. Then when you use this section formula, you will have to write 1 and 1 in place of M1 and M2. Then what it will be remaining? It is x1 plus x2 by 1 plus 1 2. Here y1 plus y2 by 2. Followed? And we call this as midpoint formula. Please do remember. This is midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is used to find out the coordinates of midpoint. Here I'll write x comma y, that is the coordinates of the midpoint, is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Then y1 plus y2 by 2. Followed? Okay. Now let me go for taking few simple examples. And before that, you may just go for copying this. Dear students, here I have taken very simple examples to make you to understand the section formula as well as midpoint formula. Just remember them, and using this, let's go for solving. Observe and write. First one is, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, minus 3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. Okay. The meaning of this statement is like this. You are going to find out the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points. This is 4, minus 3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1. Okay. Now, let's go for finding the coordinates of C. See, this is x1, y1. For your reference, I am writing. This is x2, y2, and these two are m1 and m2. They must be written in data. Please do remember them. m1 and m2. Here, for the explanation purpose, I am writing it directly. By section formula, I told you to write the section formula in the easiest way. Okay. Coordinates of the point, that is x, y, is equal to, this is m1 plus m2 by m1 plus m2. Then m1 plus m2 by m1 plus m2. Here you should write x2. This is x1. It is x2. This is x1. Sorry. It is y2 and is y1. Even in substitution also, you can follow very simple method. I'll tell you that. Observe carefully. This is first you go for substituting m1 and m2. m1 is 3, m2 is 1. Okay. 3 into plus 1 into by 3 plus 1. Here also 3 into plus 1 into 3 plus 1. x2, x1, y2, y1. x2, x1, see that 8 and 4. y2, y1, 5 and minus 3. Got it? Is it not simple to substitute? This is equal to, observe, what is 3 8s are 24. 4 1s are 4. 24, 4, 24 plus 4, very good, 28 by 3 plus 1 is 4. Next, this is 3 5s are 15. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 15 minus 3, this is 12. Then 3 plus 1, again 4. Cancel it. 4 1s are 4 7s are. 4 1s are 4 3s are. Therefore, x, y is equal to 7, 3. Got it? Is it not simple one? Definitely. Now, go to the second one and write. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining 2, 3 and 7, minus 4. This is also very simple. Here I am writing, okay, the line segment joining the points 2, 3 and 7, minus 4. You are going to find out the midpoint. You may call this point as C. C is the midpoint. To find out the coordinates of the midpoint, we have to use midpoint formula. This is x1, y1 and it is x2, y2. Here I will use midpoint formula. By midpoint formula. Yes, write with me. It is x, y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Then y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to, what is x1 plus x2? It is 2 and 7. 2 plus 7 by 2. y1 plus y2, 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 by 2. It's equal to 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 by 2. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 2. Therefore, x comma y nothing but the coordinates of the midpoint is 9 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Followed? Hope that you have understood it well. Now, I'll go for taking few more problems. They are our applied questions related to section formula as well as midpoint formula. Dear students, go through this third one. It is also very important one. And you may also copy this one. It is find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points 3 comma minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. Here they are given the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points. You are going to find out the ratio, that is m1 is to m2. Followed? Just with figure, I'll try my best to make you to understand the statement. Okay, this is the line segment. Call it as AB. The coordinates of these points as are minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8. There is a point on AB and its coordinates are given, that is minus 1 comma 6, but the ratio is unknown. This is to be found. You may call this as x1 y1 and this is x2 y2 and it is obviously x comma y. We do not have m1 and m2. Hence let us assume let m1 is to m2 be. You may call this as k is to 1. It will be very easier. I'll tell you why we have taken k. So here, by observing this figure, could you tell which formula should be used to find out the ratio? Very good. It is section formula. Here, by section formula. What is that? It is x comma y is equal to m1 plus m2 by m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2 by m1 plus m2. Here this is x2, x1. Here is y2, this is y. Go for substituting. What is x comma y? This is minus 1 comma 6 is equal to, first substitute m1 and m2. It will be easier. Where m1 is k, m2 is 1. K into 1 into, then k plus 1. Here also k into plus 1 into k plus 1. x2, x1, okay, 6 and minus 3. y2, y1, minus 8, 10. Next, this is equal to, simplify, k into 6, 6k. 1 into minus 3, minus 3 by k plus 1. This is minus 8 into k, minus 8k. 10 ones are 10. K plus 1. So minus 1 comma 6. Look here. You can go for equating the coordinates, either x coordinate or y coordinate. Anyone can be taken. Here I will write. On comparing what? X coordinates. Or else even you may go for taking y also. X coordinates are minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3 by k plus 1. Go for cross multiplication. Minus 1 into k plus 1 is minus k minus 1. Then this is 6k minus 3. Then minus 1, transfer minus 3 to the left hand side, becomes plus 3. Then this is 6k. Transfer minus k to the right hand side, becomes plus k. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. It is equal to 7k. K is equal to 2 by 7. That is k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 7. Therefore, the ratio is the ratio is 2:7. Followed? Yes. Hope that you all have understood. Please go for copying. Repeated I have been telling, when you are finding the ratio, just go for taking k:1. It will be easier for simplification. You may take m1 and m2 directly, but it takes more number of steps. That's why we will take k:1. Copy this one. Then after that, copy next one also. Let's move on to fourth one. This is also one of the important question which was given in the examination as well. Go through this. This is, if the point A of 6,1, B of 8,2, C of 9,4 and D of P,3 are the vertices of a parallelogram which are taken in order, then find the value of P. Is it not simple? Definitely. Now I'll go for explaining this. Here, which geometrical figure has been given? Parallelogram. Please draw the parallelogram. For your reference, it is needed. It is a parallelogram and name this as A, B, C, D. They only have given the vertices in the order. Their coordinates: A, it is 6,1, B, 8,2, C, 9,4 and D, it is P,3. Followed? Then you are going to find out the value of P. See that? How do you go for finding the value of P? It's very simple. Will you think that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal, AD equal to BC and AB equal to DC? By equating these two, you can go for finding. But another simple method is there. I'll tell you that. Observe this carefully. Here, let us join AC and DB, which intersect at point O. Could you tell the property related to diagonals of a parallelogram? Very good. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That means AC will divide BD into two equal parts. BD will divide AC into two equal parts. Then what do you say about O with respect to AC? It is the midpoint. And with respect to BD, again the midpoint. As the midpoint of both the diagonals is same, we can go for equating them. Clear? Yes. Right. We know that is the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That is, here AO equal to CO and BO equal to DO. Therefore, O is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. Now, if it is so, can we go for using midpoint formula to find out the value of P? Yes. Here I'll write. I'll continue that here. By midpoint formula. What is that? This is x comma y is x1 plus x2 by 2. Then y1 plus y2 by 2. Followed? Now, here I'll write. According to the given statement, that is diagonal, O is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. O is the midpoint of AC and the coordinates of O, which is the midpoint of AC, will also be equal to coordinates of midpoint of BD. You can write in that way as well. Coordinates of midpoint of AC is equal to coordinates of the midpoint of BD. Followed? Let us find out that. How? First, with respect to AC. AC is what? It is 6 plus 9 by 2. Y1 plus Y2. 1 plus 4 by 2. Followed? This is equal to, here with respect to BD, 8 plus P by 2. Then 2 plus 3 by 2. Got it? Yes, simplify. 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 by 2. Then 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 2 is equal to, this is 8 plus P by 2 as it is, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 by 2. We want the value of P, hence we have to compare or equate x coordinates. On equating, there also we have to write equating. On equating, on equating x coordinates, we can write 15 by 2 is equal to 8 plus P by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Then 15 is equal to 8 plus P. Then we want only P. 15 minus 8 equal to P. P is equal to 7. Got it? This is the way we can find out the value of P. We have one more important type of problem is there. I'll go for taking. Just go for copying this one. Please go through this. This is another important statement and is also important in the examination as well. Observe and copy this. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, minus 1 and 2, minus 3. Hope that you all have understood this. Here we have the word trisection. What is the meaning of that? Means dividing into 3 parts. Bisection means it is dividing into 2 parts. Quadrisection dividing into 4 parts. Just I'll give you some information regarding this. Look here, this is the line segment. And again I am going to take the same. Call this as AB. Second one is also AB. Third one as well. Here I am going to mark the point C, where C is the midpoint of AB. What do you call the now we can call point C as bisection of, or the point of bisection of the line segment AB? Yes. Then here now AB should be divided into 3 parts. How many points should be marked? Very good. 2 points. I call them as P and Q. Okay. P and Q are called points of trisection. Then if you want to divide AB into 4 equal parts, then how many points? Very good. You have to mark 3 points. Call them as P, Q and R. These 3 are called points of quadrisection. Hope that you all have understood. Now, you know that how to find out the coordinates of this midpoint by using midpoint formula. How do you find out the coordinates of P and Q? Very good. By using section formula as well as midpoint formula. Okay. To find out the coordinates of the point P, you can take the ratio. See, this is 1 part is to remaining 2 parts. Right? Then, using section formula, you find out P. How do you find out the coordinates of Q? Very good. It is by using midpoint formula. The reason is Q is the midpoint of PB. Then, in case of quadrisection, A coordinates of A known and B also. How do you find out Q? See that Q is the midpoint of AB, hence you can go for using midpoint formula. How do you find out coordinates of P? Again by using midpoint formula, because P is the midpoint of AQ. Similarly, R is the midpoint of QR. So the given statement is related to second one. Let's go for that. Go through this. Coordinates of the points of trisection. So let us go for assuming the points of trisection. Right. Let P and Q be the points of trisection. Then of the line segment joining these points. See that this is the line segment. The points are A 4, -1 and another one is B 2, -2. And these are the 2 points. P and Q points of trisection. So then AP equal to PQ equal to BQ. Here on right, AP equal to PQ equal to BQ. We are going to find out coordinates of P as well as Q. First, let us find out coordinates of P. How do you find out coordinates of P? Look here. Total, the whole line segment is divided into 3 parts. So here AP, it is 1 part. P to B, it is 2 parts. So can we write the ratio as 1:2? Yes. Here I'll write AP is to PB is equal to 1:2, which is M1:M2. Now let's go and you take this as x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x comma y. Here by section formula, how do you write? This is x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, then m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m. Now we want the coordinates of P. Hence I'll write P of x comma y. Substitute first m1 and m2. What is m1? 1. m2 2. It is here I'll write 1 into 2. Sorry, 1 into plus 2 into then 1 plus 2. Next here also 1 into plus 2 into 1 plus 2. x2 x1, see that 2 and 4. y2 y1 -3 -1. Followed? Let me continue that here. Go on writing with me. This is equal to here 1 2s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 2 10. It is 10 by 1 plus 2. This is 3. Here 1 into -3, -3. 2 into -1, -2. -3 -2. This is -5 by 1 plus 2. This is 3. So the coordinates of the point P is 10 by 3, -5 by 3. Next, we want the coordinates of Q. How do you find out? Look here. When you compare Q with respect to PB, Q is the midpoint. You can go for using midpoint formula. Or else, if you do not want to consider P, again you have to use section formula. Okay, this is 2 and this will be 1. However you want, you can go for that. Here I'll write coordinates of Q. Shall we go for using midpoint formula or a section? Yes. Here I'll use by midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. Coordinates Q. Here I'll write Q is the midpoint of PB. Then here I'll write x1 plus x2 midpoint Q of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Then y1 plus y2 by 2. Then this is equal to, what is x1 plus x2? Here P and this one. Here 10 by 3 plus 2. 10 by 3 plus 2 whole divided by 2. y1 plus y2. Here p minus 5 by 3 plus y2 minus 3. Directly you may write by 2. Hope that you all have understood this. And this is equal to, take LCM and simplify. It is, LCM is 3, then 10 plus 6. And here LCM is 3, it is minus 5 minus 9. Followed? This is equal to, again, 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 by 3 whole divided by 2. This is minus 5 minus 9 is minus 14. Minus 14 by 3 whole divided by 2. Now, let me continue that here. Here. This is equal to, it is 10 by 3 into, here 2 by 1 is there, it is 1 by 2. Then this is minus 14 by 3 into, it again 1 by 2. 1s are 5s are. Observe here 10 plus 6 is 16. And this is correct. Yes, this is 16. And this will be 8. Now this is 8 by 3. And here 1s are 7s are. Minus 7 by 3. So this is coordinates of Q. So we can write the conclusion as, therefore the points of, coordinates of points of trisection, therefore the coordinates of P is 10 by 3 comma minus 5 by 3 and Q is 8 by 3 and minus 7 by 3. Followed? Hope that you all have understood this. And even I told you, coordinates of Q can also be found out by using section formula. Let me show you that also. Just keep observing. It is only with respect to coordinates of Q. Let's go for using section formula. To use that section formula, we have to write AQ is to QB. AQ is to QB is equal to 2 is to 1, which is nothing but M1 is to M2. Then by section formula, we can write the coordinates of Q. Q of x comma y is equal to, then M1, first M1 and M2, substitute that one. 2 into plus 1 into by 2 plus 1, again here 2 into plus 1 into by 2 plus 1. Now x2, x1, here 2 and 4, y2, y1, minus 3, minus 1. It is 2 and 4, y2, y1, minus 3, minus 1. This is equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are 4. So it is 4 plus 4, 8. 8 by 3. See that? This one. Hope that this will be easier. Then 2 into minus 3, minus 6. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus 6, minus 1, minus 7. By 3. See that? This will be easier. Again you got the same. Coordinates of Q as 8 by 3 and minus 7 by 3. Please go for copying this. Dear students, now we are moving to another concept. This is the last concept of this chapter. That is area of triangle. You all may be thinking that you are very familiar with the formula half into base into height, right? Then other than that, even Heron's formula is also there. But we have another formula to find out area of triangle when the coordinates of its vertices are given. So here I take ABC as triangle. Their coordinates of the vertex A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, and C is x3, y3. Then we have a formula. It is also very easy to remember the formula. But before that, just I'll introduce one previous concept what you have learnt in 6th standard, that is particularly in pattern of the numbers. There you had learnt about cyclic numbers. Do you all remember? Yes, no doubt. This is 1, here is 2, here is 3. When you take these 3 as cyclic numbers, how do you go for writing? Okay, if you start from 1, we write 1, 2, 3. If you start from 2, 2, 3, 1. If you start from 3, 3, 3, 2, 1. Right? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. These are the cyclic numbers. This concept will be used to write the formula of area of triangle in the easiest way. Here I write. Area of triangle is equal to half into, first you should write like this, x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. See that? Is it the formula? No. All the terms are same, but here we have the vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Use the cyclic numbers for these. If you start from 1, this is 2, this is 3. Next, here 2, 3, 1. Next, 3, 1, 2. Is it not simple? Yes. It is half into x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. Here also the substitution will be easier. I'll go for explaining that with an example. And before going to that, just I'll go for giving you one more information. This is about absolute value. Dear students, as the coordinates of the vertices may also be negative, hence there is a chance of getting area of triangle as negative square units. Is it possible to get the area of triangle as negative? No. That is why we will go for taking absolute value. What is that absolute value? When you get area as negative, that should be considered as a positive, like this. Okay. Suppose area of triangle, it is minus 2.7 square units. If it is so, then we will write this as mod square units. Then we will take the absolute value as 2.7 square units. Followed? Yes. Copy this one. I'll take a simple example. Yes. Here we have a simple example. Please go through this. Find the area of triangle formed by joining the points A of 5, 2, B of 4, 7 and C of 7, minus 4. So first let us take these coordinate points as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Please go on writing. Let x1, y1 is equal to, it is 5, 2. x2, y2, this is 4, 7. Then x3, y3, it is 7, minus 4. Now we shall go for finding area. Calculation. Write the formula. Area of triangle is half into, it is x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 2, 3, 1. 3, 1, 2. Now substitution is very important. Write half as it is. Just keep observing. Stop writing and look at them. In substitution, first you should substitute x1, x2 and x3. See that? Here 5, 4 and 7. Will be easier. Here 5 into plus 4 into plus 7 into. Will be easier. Next, y2 minus y3. Observe, follow this method. Look here. First, you will start from here. y2 minus y3, then y3 minus y1, y1 minus y2. Follow this order. Now, see that y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3, already minus 4 is given. So, 7 minus of minus 4. 7 minus of minus 4. Next, minus 4 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2. Then 2 minus 7. Is it not easier? Definitely. It's equal to half into, now look here, minus into minus, plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 5s are 55. Minus 4 minus 2, minus 6. Minus 6 into 4, minus 24. 2 minus 7, minus 5. Minus 5 into 7, plus minus 35. Once I repeat, 2 minus 7, minus 5. 7 5s are 35. Minus is there, minus 35. It is equal to half into 55 minus 24. 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 minus 2 is 3, minus 35. It is equal to 1 by 2 into 31 minus 34. So 31 minus 35, it is minus 4, is minus 2. I told you, area cannot be negative. Hence, we will go for taking absolute value. Here I'll write minus 2. Because area cannot be negative. Then minus 2 is nothing but mod of minus 2 is nothing but just plus 2 square units. So conclusion. Therefore, the area of triangle is 2 square units. Got it? Yes. Now, I'll give you two more important problems, and they are also the applications of this area of triangle. First, copy that. Dear students, just we have learned how to solve or how to find out area of triangle when the coordinates of its vertices are given. And this has, that is area of triangle, has some applications. Let me tell you one by one. First one is, it is used to find area of quadrilateral. See that ABCD is a quadrilateral. You can find out its area. To find area of quadrilateral, how do you find? It's very simple. Look here, we do not have formula to find out area of quadrilateral when its vertices are given. But we know area of triangle. Hence, it is to be divided into two triangles by joining either AC or B. Look here, we have got one triangle ABC. Find out its area. And another triangle ADC. Find out its area also. Then after that, go for adding them. That will be the area of quadrilateral. Clear? Next. Second, you can also find out, you can also use this area of triangle concept to check whether the given points are collinear or not. Dear students, to form a triangle, how many points are required? 3 points are required, right? Then, when 3 points lie on the same line, what do you call these points? They are called collinear points. If the points lie on the same straight line, is it possible to form a triangle by using these points? It is impossible. Hence, we can use that area of triangle formula to check whether the points are collinear. If the points are collinear, what will be the area of triangle? 0. If the points are not collinear, then the area of triangle will be not equal to 0. So, it is used to check whether the points are collinear. And very important result, if area of triangle equal to 0, points are collinear. Next, if area of triangle is not equal to 0, points are non-collinear. and even third one. Actually, when the points are collinear, area of triangle will be 0. Then they'll give the unknown term, call it as k. To find out the value of k, under such condition, we will go for using area of triangle concept. So please go for copying this, then I'll go for taking one example with respect to each. Now let's go for this. Take the second problem. It is if a of minus 5 comma 7, b of minus 4 comma minus 5, and c of minus 1 comma minus 6, and also d of 4 comma 5 are the vertices of a quadrilateral, then we have to find out the area of quadrilateral. Hope that you all have copied. Then draw the figure first. Draw a quadrilateral because they are given 4 vertices. One is A and another one is B, third one is C, next one is D. Write their coordinates. Minus 5 comma 7, then minus 4 comma minus 5, minus 1 comma minus 6, and 4 comma 5. To find out the area of quadrilateral, as I explained earlier, it should be divided into 2 triangles. So what should be done? Join either AC or BD. Let us go for joining AC. Right. Join AC. Then after that, we get 2 triangles, ABC and ADC. Let us go for finding area of triangle one by one. Before that, write the formula. What is area of triangle formula? Very good. It is half into x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. Use cyclic numbers 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Then write first area of triangle ABC. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to half into, first you go for taking x1, x2 and x3. See, minus 5, minus 4 and minus 1. Minus 5 of plus minus 4 of, then minus 1 of. Next, see that y2, y2, y3, y3, y1, y1, y2. Followed here y3, sorry, y2. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Minus 5 minus of minus 6. Minus 5 plus 6. Minus 6 minus 7. 7 minus of minus 5. That is 7 plus 5. Got it? This is equal to half into, what is minus 5 plus 6? It is 1. 1 into minus 5, minus 5. Minus 6 minus 7, minus 13. Minus into minus plus 13 fours are 52. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 into minus 1, minus 12. It is equal to half into, it is minus 5, 52 minus 12 plus 40. It is equal to 1 by 2 into 40 minus 5, it is 35. It is equal to 17.5 square units. This is area of triangle ABC. Next, we shall go for finding area of triangle ADC. Right. Try to find out yourself. Hope that you all have found out the area of triangle ADC. Then just observe. Okay. ADC. Now this time, this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y2. In this order. I'll take first x1, x2, x3. Minus 5 of, then 4 of, minus 1. Then see y2, y3. 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 is there. Minus of minus 6 plus 6. Minus 6 minus 7. 7 minus 5. Hope that you all have understood this. Now this is equal to half into 5 plus 6, 11. 11 5s are 55. Minus 6 minus 7, minus 13. Minus 13, 13 4s are 52. Then 7 minus 5, 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. It is equal to 1 by 2 into. Then go for adding all these. It is minus 52 minus 52 minus 2 minus 54. Minus 55 minus 54. It is minus 109. It is equal to minus 5s are 4s are 0.5. Then we want absolute value, right? So I'll go for taking absolute value because area cannot be negative. Then this can be written as 54.5 square units. It is area of triangle ADC. But we want area of quadrilateral ABCD, right? It is the sum of these two triangles. Here are them. Area of ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. It is equal to ABC is 17.5 plus ADC 54.5. It's equal to how much? It is 10, carry 1, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, carry 1, it is 7, 72 square units. Therefore, the area of quadrilateral is 72 square units. Please go for copy. Dear students, please go through this one. This is very important. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and 2, minus 11 are collinear. Dear students, here how many points are given? Only 3 points. Very simple. If we know that 3 points can form a triangle, right? If the area of triangle is 0, then the points will be collinear. If the area of triangle is not equal to 0, then the points will be non-collinear. Let's go for that. Let's find out area of the triangle. Here I'll write verification. Go on writing with me. You may take the first point 1, 5 as x1, y1. It is. Next, x2, y2 is 2, 3 and x3, y3 is minus 2, minus 11. We have formula to find out area of triangle. What is that? It is half into x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. Then use cyclic numbers. What are these? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1. 3, 1, 2. Followed? Now this is equal to half into. What is the first step? Substitute only x1, x2 and x3. See that? 1, 2, minus 2. 1 plus 2 minus 2. Next. Here. See that? Follow this one. y2 minus y3. That is 3 minus of minus 11. 3 minus of minus 11. Then minus 11 minus 5. Then 5 minus 3. It is equal to half into, what is minus into minus? Plus. 11 3s are 33. 33 1s are 33 1. Minus 11 minus 5, minus 16. Minus 16 into plus 2, minus 30. Here 5 minus 3, 2. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4. It's equal to 1 by 2 into 33 minus 32. It is 1. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 by 2. Right? Here, area of triangle is minus 3 by 2, which is not equal to 0. It is area of triangle is not equal to 0. Therefore, what do you say about the points? The points are non-collinear. Therefore, the points are non-collinear. Yes. Please go for copying. Dear student, here is a correction. That is, here minus into minus plus 11. 3 plus 11 is 14. 14 ones are 14. Then this is minus 11 minus 5 is minus 16. 62 is a 32. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 2 is a minus 4. It is correct. Then it is minus 32. 14 minus 4 is plus 10. Minus 32 plus 10, it is minus 22. By 2 is minus 11. Minus 11 is not equal to 0. Please correct it. Dear students, go through this. Fourth one and write. Find the value of k if 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1 and 3 comma k are collinear points. They only are given. They are collinear points. If they are collinear points, what will be the area of triangle? Very good. It will be 0, right? Hence, let's go for finding the area of triangle by using these 3 points. Right? Solution. Yeah, first, let x1, y1 is equal to 5 comma 1. x2, 7 comma minus 2. 7 comma minus 2. x2, y2, it is 5 comma 1. And x3, y3, it is equal to 3 comma k. Followed? Then here they are given points are collinear. When the points are collinear, then the area of triangle is 0. Followed? Then let us go for finding the area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half into, write the formula, x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. Write the cyclic numbers 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Then go for taking substitution. Area of triangle is 0, right here 0, half into, then first take x1, x2 and x3, 7, 5 and 3, 7 into plus 5 into plus 3. Next, follow this one, 1 minus k minus of minus 2, minus 2 minus 1. This is equal to cross multiply. 0 into 2 is equal to, it is multiply. 7 ones are 7 minus 7 into k, 7k. Then minus into minus plus. So 5 into k, it is 5k plus 5 2s are, this is 10. Minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. Minus 3 into 3, minus 9. Followed? Now, LHS part. 0 into 2, it is equal to 0. Then minus 7k plus 5k, it is minus 2k. Next, 10 minus 9, it is 1. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 8. Transfer minus 2k to the left hand side, becomes plus 2k equal to 8. K equal to 8 by 2. K equal to 4. So this is how we have to find out the value of k when the points are collinear. This statement is very important. That is, when the points are collinear, then the area of triangle is 0. Let's copy the same. Dear students, this is the last problem of this chapter and is also very important, and it is related to one of the concepts. Go through and identify. The question is like this. Determine the ratio. Here only you have already come to know that. Which concept? Very good. Section formula. Determine the ratio in which the line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 divides the line segment joining the points A of 2 comma minus 2 and B of 3 comma 7. Is it not simple? Yes. Here, hope that you have copied and go on writing with me. There is a line segment. What is that line segment? It is AB. And tell their coordinates. A is 2 comma minus 2, B is 3 comma 7. And this line segment is divided by another line. It is the line of the equation 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Then you are going to find out the ratio, that is, this line will intersect AB at point C. You are going to find out AC is to BC. Got it? Find out AC is to BC equal to question mark. How do you find out? Very simple one. We do not know the ratio. You can assume that ratio as K is to 1. Then find out X and Y. Look at coordinates of C. You may assume this as X and Y. Find X and Y. Substitute that in the equation. Yes. Here are right. Let AC is to BC equal to K is to 1, which is nothing but M1 is to M2. Followed? Then you may take this as X1, Y1. This is X2, Y2. Then coordinates of C is X comma Y. Let us use section formula. By section formula. What is that? It is X comma Y is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. Next, M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by again M1 plus M2. Substitute X comma Y as it is. First M1 M2. What is M1 M2? K and 1. K into plus 1 into pi. K plus 1. Next, K into plus 1 into K plus 1. Substitute X2 X1. See that here it is 3 and 2. Y2 Y1 7 and minus 2. First 3 and 2 7 and minus 2. This is equal to 3 into K, 3K plus 2 ones are 2, K plus 1. 7 into K, 7K minus 2 by K plus 1. This is X comma Y. That means where X is 3K plus 2 by K and Y is this is. I'll write it somewhere. X equal to 3K plus 2 by K plus 1. And Y is 7K minus 2 by K plus 1. We want the value of K so that we can find out its ratio. That's why I'll go for using this equation. Equation is 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Substitute x and y. 2 into x is 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 plus y is 7k minus 2 by k plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Then how do you find out the value of k? First you multiply 2 with both the terms. Here I am writing 2 3s are 6, 6k plus 2 2s are, it is 4 by k plus 1 plus 7k minus 2 by k plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. Take the LCM of the denominator. It will be k plus 1. Then this is 6k plus 4 plus multiply LCM with the second term. Get cancelled. 7k minus 2. This is minus 4 of k plus 1 is equal to 0. Followed? Then on multiply k plus 1 with 0, it will be 0. Now this is 6k plus 4 plus 7k minus 2. Multiply minus 4 with both the terms. Minus 4 into k minus 4k. Minus 4 into 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Next, what is 6k plus 7k? It is 13k, right? 13k minus 4k, it is 9k. Next, minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. This is minus 2 equal to 0. K equal to 2 by 9. The ratio k is to 1 equal to 2 is to 9. Therefore, the ratio is 2 is to 9. Hope that you have understood. Dear students, in this chapter we have covered most of the types of problems. So, what all the problems we have solved today, definitely they will be useful for in the examination point of view as well. So, and one more important thing, I am reminding you, what all the problems we have solved today, practice them today itself without fail. Okay, in forthcoming days we will cover both the chapters, that is Introduction to Trigonometry and Coordinate Geometry in detail. Now it is just revision class. Now the revision of this chapter is over. With this, let us stop today's class. Thank you very much.